Life's tight. Eat right. MyPlate is a nutrition guide developed by the USDA to help you find your healthy eating style and maintain it for a lifetime. A healthy eating routine is important at every stage of life, from childhood to adulthood, and can have positive effects that add up over time. Eat a rainbow of colors by making half your plate fruits and vegetables. This includes fresh, canned, or frozen. Vary your protein routine. Make half your grains whole grains. Move to low-fat or fat-free milk. Choose foods and beverages with less added sugars, saturated fat, and sodium. Find your healthy eating style and maintain it for a lifetime. Visit snapedny.org for more information, tips, and recipes. Save time, save money, eat healthy.